In this lecture, we will try to demonstrate a very simple program on Java packages. Just try to recall what I discussed in my previous lecture. We were discussing about packages in Java programming language. Let me recall it for few minutes. Let me recall my previous lecture. Let me assume this is my big folder. Let it be JAVA, Java. Folder means it is just similar to package, in which I have one subfolder. This name is LANG. Isn't it? This is subfolder. How can I write? This is Java it's a folder. Folder means it's a package. It is subfolder. Subfolder. How can I write this one? JAVA dot LANG. In this particular lang package, what I discussed, you have classes related to strings, you have classes related to math functions, you have classes related to threads, you have classes related to exceptions. All these things I will discuss in future lectures. Time being, just understand. This particular Java folder is having some another folder. Let it be util. This is one more subfolder. In similar manner, I have one more subfolder IO. I have one more subfolder AWT. I have another subfolder net. I have another subfolder applet. Isn't it? Not only these subfolders, it has got so many subfolders. To illustrate, just I am keeping these names. How can I write? Java.lang, Java.util, Java.io, Java.awt, Java.net, Java.applet. Isn't it? For example, in this particular applet subfolder, I have a class known as applet. All built-in classes starts with capital letter. How can I write that one? First I must go to Java. It's a big folder, in which where will I go? I will go to its subfolder whose name is applet, in which I have a class applet. This is the mechanism. That anyway, I will spend lot of time in future classes. Just in this lecture, we will try to demonstrate a simple program on packages. Just observe this program. The package, this package is a keyword. Just see, package is a keyword. The package keyword is used to create package in Java. Means here I am creating a package whose name is my pack. It's a user defined package. It's a user defined package. Whichever packages, for example, java.util, it's a built-in package. Java.net, it's a built-in package. Java.awt, all these are built-in packages. They are predefined packages. Now we can define our own package. Let me say, as I told you, package is a keyword which is useful for creating packages. Package space my pack. In package, which one you can keep? You can keep classes and interfaces. Here I am keeping a class whose name is simple. I am discussing the simplest program in the universe. I can say like that. Yes. This class name is simple. Let me say, what is the definition? According to definition of package, in package I can keep classes and interfaces. In my package, I am keeping a class whose name is simple. How can I save this file? I can save this file as simple.java, class name.java. Isn't it? That's what file name says. Of course, public static void main string args. As I told you, the simplest program in the universe, I can say. I'm displaying a message. What is that message? Just I am displaying welcome to packages. Then how will you run this program? How will you run? This is little bit different from just ordinary program. Packages can be executed like this. JAVAC, Java compiler, -d means what? JAVAC -d. What does it mean? Let me say like this. JAVAC -d. -d directory and Java file, isn't it? JAVAC space -d switch. What will it do? It switch specify the Java space -d switch specifies as, I can say specifies the destination, specifies the destination where to put the generated class file, Once if I compile Java file, I will get dot class file, isn't it? That dot class file, where will you keep? Here you must give the directory name. Whichever directory name you give, in that particular directory name, this dot class file will get stored. I will repeat, Java -d specifies the destination where to put the generated class file. If you want to keep the package, if you want to keep the package within the same directory, within the same directory, you can use dot. Dot indicates same directory, present directory, current directory. How it works, we will try to understand. Just see. JAVAC -d. -d means, what is the use of -d? As I told you, specifies the destination. -d specifies the destination where to put JAVAC sample.java means a sample dot class file will create it. Now -d specifies this sample dot class file where one can keep. If I say dot, just say this one is dot. If I say dot, that particular sample dot class will get stored in the directory. If you want to keep the package within the same directory, you can use dot. This dot useful to keep this one in the same directory. It's simple and straightforward. After compiling your program, how can I run my particular program? How can I run my this program? JAVA means Java interpreter. What is my package name? My package name is mypack, in which, what is your program name? This program is stored with simple.java. This is program name, isn't it? How we were doing, this is something like Java dot. It's up. I don't want to make it complicated. Just assume that. It's not an assumption. It is true. Actually, it's true. mypack is a package in which I have a class with the name sample. Of course, as I told you, this is not sample, simple. This I already stored with simple.java. How can I run this program? JAVAC space simple, but of course where it is existed, it is in this particular package name mypack, so that you will get output. As I told you, I will spend lot of time. I will spend time extensively on designing on user defined packages. Just time being understand, this is the procedure to create packages. Just see what output you are getting. You are getting welcome to package. This is the welcome to package. That's what it says. It is a simple and straightforward lecture. Just go through it once. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.